just wanted to show you this. So these are the twists. I'm just going to put on a bit of highlights. I just love having a little bit of warmth in my hair because it is hot and humid and my hair is already like puffing up. So I just want to go get it braided. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take you guys with me. It is hot, 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 but I'm loving it. Oh, the sun is so good for you. Yeah, so come on, escape. Hey guys, so it's like 10:30 and I finally finished with my hair. I just have it wrapped up because they dipped it in hot water. Just closing out this portion of the vlog from Auntie Alice's hair braiding school. I'm exhausted. Don't think I'm gonna go out tonight. So right now I'm just waiting for my Uber to come. So check in with you later. Bye. Okay, I hope this lighting is better because the lighting over there was a little bit touch and go. This is the finished hair. So I got really long twists. They're just called twists here in Accra. I think in America you would call these Senegalese twists. I use Chinyeloves hair and I use the color 30 and 33. The 30 is what I think is probably closer to a number 4 in America. But the key is that she blended the shit out of the two colors. So I actually have it here. Hold on one second. Okay, let's hope that works. The brownish color is a 30 and this gold color is a 33. So this is what the 33 looks like. And you can see it's sort of blended into the number 30. So when I originally talked to her, she just got 1 pack of the 30, 1 pack of the 33 instead of mixing it. But for me, it was a little bit too light with this color. So I had her add in more of the color 30. I ended up using 2.5 packs. 2 packs of lighter color and then 2.5 of this brown color because she added more brown. They're 100 inches in length, so she cut each of them in half. So it probably ended up being 5 packs of hair if it's just a normal length in America. But I will take down the twists. So these are them. Oh my god, it's so cute. This is the first time I'm like seeing it with makeup. I will leave all the details to where I got my hair done down below. I went to Auntie Alice's hair braiding school. It was great except for the fact that it was so crowded. I got my hair done on December 23rd, which is Christmas Eve. I showed up at 11. They started doing my hair around 2. So I sat there for 3 hours and I was so tempted to get up and leave, but I didn't know where else to go. And it was popping, like it was so many people there. So I was just like, well, if everyone is coming to Auntie Alice's school to get their hair done, then I should probably stay and get my hair done too. I started around 2:30 and I left at 11 p.m. So what is that? I don't know, 9-ish hours. At first it started off with one woman, and then she did about, I would say, a third of the way, and then 2 other women came, which is why we were able to be down at 11. In the end, I ended up paying 150 CD, which includes the hair, $25 to $30, but I'll insert the conversion here. It's a little painful, not gonna lie, around my edges. It's the most painless when it's down like this, but Accra is so hot and so humid that having all of this hair on my body is going to be annoying. So I think I'm going to put it back up into that low tension bun that I had in the beginning. There's something so special about getting your hair done as a Black woman. It is a ritual, and not just in an African country, even in America. It was just so beautiful to be able just to sit there and be surrounded by all these different Black women. A lot of them speaking Twi, speaking English, speaking whatever language that they were speaking. We're all just sitting there getting our hair braided, and some of us are inside, some of us are outside on the courtyard, and some of us are 2 inches apart from one another, some of us ordering food, some of us are telling the little girls to go buy us water, and it was just, wow. This is what it means to be a Black woman. That experience is a diaspora experience. I could have been in Chicago, I could have been in New York, I could have been in Dakar, having that shared experience. So it was just so beautiful. When I travel, I try to just do the local thing. And for me, getting my hair done is like such a grounding experience. Long story short, the place was crowded. It was so many people. So worth it. They did their thing. I think I'm gonna go to Coco Lounge, which is really popular, but I figured I could get something pretty decent there to eat, and I'm gonna hit up the market. So I'm gonna go to an artisanal market. There's a store that I found called Shop Accra. I met a girl who sells bags and wallets and things, and she sells it at Shop Accra. So I'm gonna go there, try to get a wallet. This one that I got in Senegal, while it's cute, it's pretty dirty. I could probably wash that. It's leather. It's in good condition. The real reason why I need a wallet is because this only has a space for coins. Put coins here. My cards are here. My cash is here. She sells wallets open out and have slots for cards and things. And she's super sweet and she was really nice, and I just want to support her. She has a factory in Accra. So she's like, if I go and I don't see anything I like, just let her know and she'll go pick it up in the factory. Gotta love an entrepreneur that will get it done no matter what. I've been talking for 11 minutes and the whole point was to show you these braids. They're so long. Alright, I'm gonna get dressed and I will check in with you guys before I leave. Bye. Hot. It's all good. I love my braids. I can't lose my twists. They look so good.